IntelTDT protects your business with AI security solutions. IntelTDT is a software development kit. Apple plans a new M3 processor into its MacBook Air variants. iPad Pro's switch to OLED screens is one of the biggest updates in the 2024 series. The Google Pixel tablet 2 specifications leaked, and it was released later in the year. May be debuting at Google I/O 2024. The AMD Athlon 3000 series, cutting-edge 7nm CPU core technology, is prepared to take advantage of graphics card upgrades for fluid HD 1080p gaming. Meta collaborates Servam AI to empower vernacular LLMs. Learn how to stop cyber attacks with 10 steps. For more details, visit Govindtech.